everyone. Today I have a video using the Clique Kits April Winter Park Kit, and I'm going to be using this month's sketch, and I'm absolutely in love with this sketch. It is really fun, and I love that it has this big circle element in it. I'm trying to use circles more often because I do kind of struggle with that. So off camera, I went ahead and put a piece of vellum over top of this beautiful paint stripe paper or paint stroke paper. And I went ahead and hand stitched a circle all the way around that layout with some yellow thread. And I did little tiny X's. So I love the way that that looks. It brings that yellow in on the layout. The photo is a photo of birds' eggs, so little robin's eggs, and I have this nest in my wreath on my front door. Now, we barely ever use the front door just because we have the garage door that we usually come through. So I just decided to leave it alone, and I have been taking pictures of it because it's a glass door and I absolutely love looking at the little eggs. So they're so pretty. So that is what my layout is of today. And off camera, I fussy cut those flowers that are peeking out from behind the photo off of a piece of paper from the kit. And I love this kit so much. I love Maggie Holmes. Her stuff is amazing. And I've always loved her florals. They're so beautiful and so fun. So I knew that I wanted to use this vellum piece from the die cuts. It says love makes everything grow. And so I'm going to use my fine line bottle with some wet glue in that and just go behind where the black letters are. That is what I like to do when I'm gluing vellum down. I like to put it behind a part that is a color, not just the clear vellum. So that is what I just did there. If it's a small piece of vellum and it can go towards the edge of the layout, I sometimes do staple it down. However, this one is a big piece and I was not putting it towards the edge, so I just went ahead and used that wet adhesive. So this sketch was super fun to play with. I'm not going to use it the exact way she had it. I didn't use any mists or sprinkles of anything, and I did not use the exact shapes that she used. However, I do some embellishing around the circle like she had in the sketch. So I knew that I wanted to use this little vellum bird because, of course, it's a bird's nest, and I had to use her. So I kind of just perched her right there over top of the circle and by the title of the layout. So here I took one of the cut aparts and I went around it with a punch. However, I did not like the way that it turned out, so I went to go ahead and cut around it, and then I still didn't like it, so I'm going to put that off to the side and just not use it for this layout. And next I pulled out the tag from the printables from this month, and I love the way that that looks. It has that really pretty floral on it, and it says "Oh Happy Day," which is super fun. And I am trying to use that little floral sticker, but just wasn't working for me. So I'm not going to do that. I am going to use this sticker, and it says hello. It's from the sticker sheet. And then I'm going to pull out the thickers from this month's kit, and they're rose gold. They're absolutely stunning, you guys. I love these letters. They're like my favorite right now. And I'm going to put some foam tape behind that hello to just kind of pop it up off the page a little bit. And my title is going to be Hello Babies. I know that they're still in their eggs. They're not babies yet. Hopefully I will get some pictures of them when they're babies. However, I just like the Hello Babies, to be honest. And I was going to use all lowercase, but guess what? It didn't have any lowercase e's left. So I'm going to have to go with all uppercase letters. So that is what I'm doing right now. But yeah, these thickers are like so shiny, so pretty. Love them. So off camera, I will glue those down with some liquid glue, just because I always do that with the chipboard thickers, or really any chipboard letters, just because I want to make sure that they're going to stay. And next, I'm going to take some of that same yellow thread that I used to do the hand stitching and put it in my tag to have it kind of hang off. I'm going to cut it just a little bit. And to be honest, the tails kind of have a bend in them because they're wrapped around a piece of like a tag or something. However, it doesn't really bother me. Once I get them laid where I want them, it looks fine. So I'm okay with that bend. So I am taking one of the cut aparts from the paper, and one of them said "Life is lovely." So I'm going to use that. So it kind of looks like a sticker, or it looks like stickers, but they're not stickers. They're actually from the cut apart. So you can use cut aparts and use certain elements from the cut apart. So if the whole thing doesn't work for you, you can use your punches or just cut certain pieces out to make it work for you. And that's what I love about cut apart sheets. So now I'm going back to the sticker sheet, and I'm going to pull out some of the little hearts and this little beautiful, cute little bunny. I love her so much. She's got little rosy cheeks, and she's so cute. So she's just going to go right there, kind of looking at the bird's nest. And then I'm going to use this little camera, and I'm going to pull out a punch from my stash, which is Tiny Bow Punch. And I'm going to punch some little blue bows with the leftover blue paper from a previous layout from this kit. And then that is going to be my layout for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any upcoming videos. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notifications when a new video comes out. And I will have Clique kits linked below, as well as a coupon code so you guys can get yourself a discount. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to spread love and be kind. Have an amazing day. Bye.